Hi folks, it's John again from Remodeling Wizards of Maryland, and I'm here today to spend a few minutes to show you how far we've gotten with this bathroom. In particular, let's take a look at the flooring. Take a look down here. We started with the floor. This particular floor, this is a herringbone pattern on the floor. When we buy this tile, it actually comes in a sheet that looks like this. Obviously, this was just a portion of a sheet already cut. It's probably a piece that we took off of the edge here. But the tile is set at the factory with a mesh. So this mesh is actually glued on. And what we do is we take these 12 by 12 sheets, we place them in place like this, give it a spacing that looks pretty equivalent to the spacing that's in the factory made tile. And then once we do that, we're basically pressing it down into our thin set. Thin set, let's talk about that. This white material that you see here, this is thin set. This particular area here, this thin set is dried up already and it's been made smooth, because when we get more tile, we're going to be taking some more thin set. We're going to use a notch trowel and we're going to be running it across like this, and it's going to put ridges into the thin set. So the thin set's going to stick up a little higher, and then we're going to take the mesh tile and press it down into the thin set, and that's what's going to hold it in place. Now, the other thing that we did here before we put the thin set in, we used Durarock. This particular gray material here, that's called Durarock. That gives the floor a lot of stability. It's actually made with a concrete mix. It's bought, made in sheets. We cut it, screw it down in place, and that gives us a nice solid surface. The main thing with tile, to have it last a long time, is this subfloor, and the Durarock has to be very sturdy so that the tile doesn't want to crack. But anyway, we have Durarock, thin set, and then tile. Once we put the grout in here, the next thing is going to be to put our baseboard in place. Here's our baseboard here, and this actually is a baseboard that has a bullnose top on it, so it's rounded off so it looks really nice when it's finished. And the baseboard is just going to go on like this against the wall. It's going to be attached to the wall, again using thin set. You'll notice the drywall here is a purple color. The reason it's purple is because it's a water-resistant drywall, and you really need to use that when you're working in a bathroom. So this gives you an idea of where we are with the tile floor. I'm going to step back here for a second so that our cameraman here can take a picture of how far we've gotten with the tile in the other room. I'll turn the light on in the other room. One of the things about this light, it's a light fan combo, and unfortunately the switch turns the light on and the fan at the same time, so you're going to hear a fan. But when we finish this job, we're definitely going to have two different switches, one for the light, one for the fan. But take a look in here for a few seconds and see what this looks like. Okay, folks, it was good again to be able to show you where we are with the tile, and hoping that you follow us on the next video as we start working around the bathtub, putting the tile around the tub. I'll shut the fan off, and thanks for watching.